Assorted fresh veggies sauteed in a flavorful Thai green curry sauce, coconut milk, and a vegetable broth, finished with fresh herbs and lime. You asked for a quick and easy vegetarian meal idea? And this vegetarian Thai green curry is it. Pro tip, just prep all your vegetables before you leave for work in the morning, and then when you get home from work, 15 minutes until dinner is on the table. Watch this. First, 1 package of vegetarian ground round, next fresh veggies. 2 baby bok choy thinly sliced, 2 cups of fresh spinach, 1 zucchini divided and sliced, a cup of green beans cut into bite-sized pieces, a handful of shiitake mushrooms sliced, plus 3 ribs of celery cut into bite-sized chunks, a yellow onion diced, then 3 garlic cloves plus a 2-inch chunk of ginger shaved on a microplane. 2 things I want to say right now. Number 1, all vegetables work at this recipe, so just pick your favorites. Number 2, a big shout out to our friends at SAHA. They crafted the Thai green curry sauce that we're using in this recipe, but they have a full line of sauces we know you're going to enjoy. Stuff like tikka masala, they have a pad thai, they have butter chicken, and many more. I'll put links up at weekend@thecottage.com in this story. You'll be able to find a retailer near you, or you'll be able to purchase the products online. Back to cooking this recipe, I always begin by putting a pot of jasmine rice cooking on stovetop. It'll take 15 minutes, the rice is on. Now over to the big burner, heating on moderate temperature. I have a large pot. We're gonna start by adding 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. As soon as it melts and comes to temperature, add the chopped onion and the celery, plus the garlic and the ginger. We're gonna stir, then cover and cook for 2 minutes. Lid comes up, we're gonna add the vegetable round, stir it in, cover and cook for 2 minutes more. Now watch how we build the flavors of this curry recipe. Add 1 250 milliliter jar of the SAHA Thai green curry, 1 400 milliliter can of coconut milk, 1 cup of pure vegetable broth. Stir them in, and now we add the veggies: bok choy, green beans, zucchini, shiitake mushrooms, then that spinach. Cover the pot, we're gonna cook for 2 minutes. Then you can stir everything together, cook for 2 minutes more. By then, everything will be hot and bubbly. Stir it in, then reduce the heat to low. We're gonna simmer for 5 minutes. While the curry simmers, 2 little details. We're gonna chop up some fresh herbs. I have fresh basil, fresh fenugreek, and also curry leaves. If there's other herbs you'd like, you can chop them up. I also have 1 lime, give it a roll, then cut it in half. Have it at the ready with a reamer. Then bring the finished curry from the heat. Add those fresh, fragrant herbs. Squeeze in the juice from that lime. Stir. Let's taste. You can season with salt, then stir again. To serve, give the fragrant jasmine rice a fluff up, then a spoon or 3 over to bowls or soup plates. Add a ladle or 2 of the Thai green curry. Trust us, it's so delicious. I also do a ladle of the liquid. You can garnish with more fresh herbs, and when I serve, I offer a finely diced bird's eye pepper, little sprinkle on top for extra heat. Quick, easy, healthy, and you know us, mighty tasty too. Good news, full recipe is up at weekend@thecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. Don't forget, drop us comments and give us those thumbs up. And then when a curry is this sensational, take a picture of it and post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekend@thecottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Vegetarian Thai green curry. Before I dig in, one final shout out to our friends at SAHA. Make sure to check out those links, and to everybody else, dig in everybody. Delicious awaits. Ooh, a little bit of rice and that beautiful curry. so good. This is exceptional. Wow, perfect.